have a class here called Manufacturing, CNC, and Machining Programs. It's the process of making, and it's a career that can take you miles. Students can learn how to do anything that's manufactured from start to finish. They start on the design side, where they're given a print and they've got to draw it in a CAD program. Then they've got to work with getting the programming language set up for the machine, get all the stock set up in the machine, and then get the machine to go ahead and cut it out. It's all the beginning of what making is all about. There's going to be a NIM certification. It's a National Manufacturing Association, and we're working with COD to ensure that we can have some dual credit for that program. It's not complicated math and science that goes on, but it's stuff that's where you've got to be able to look at charts and do a lot of reading and make sure that you've got cutting speeds right and the geometry that might go on within the drawings and get all that stuff set up. There's a stigma that this can look like factory work, and it's not the same. Jobs that we're training for aren't assembly line work. It's the people that are making molds and dies and things like that. There's multi-million-dollar machines that are in there, and it's an environment that's very clean, very sterile, and very healthy to work within. It's one of those things where you've got to have a little bit to get your start, and you can get it here at TCD, and then your opportunities are limitless.